everyone, hello people from all over the planet. Welcome to Mind Booster Motivation. You are on the best YouTube channel in the world that offers free life coaching training session. So anytime you get a chance to stop by, you will always find me talking about money, how to be successful. We have new life coaching training session that is streaming live on the platform that you see this video. Okay, we got live coaching training session every single day. So if you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the like button, share this video to more people, and more people can receive the information that we share with you. So my name is George, I'm the host, and I'm here to help you every single day, give you free life coaching training session. We share with you insights, information, everything you need to know to take your life to the next level. So welcome, and let's enjoy this ride. I'm on the road, in the studio. When I'm travel, no matter where I am producing this type of video for you guys. Okay, let's get into it right now. I am here to tell you in this video something amazing happened. During the pandemic, right? Many people didn't work. They couldn't go to work because of lockdown and everything. The American government and many other places in the world, but I'm living in the United States of America. I'm using this American experience and sharing with you. During the pandemic, the government give away some money, and the name of stimulus check. Every family in the United States that used to pay tax and stuff receive a stimulus check, and later on they give some bonus for children, things like that. But during this period, what they observe that credit card company, okay, make a lot of money because people were able to pay the credit card debt most of them in time. People pay a lot of credit card debt. They reduce them, they pay them off. Okay, so that was a good thing. People get money, right? They get rid of debt, and they're doing good. That was between 2020 and what they observed after the pandemic, right? After the lockdown, 2021 and 2022, they observed the same people who had paid the credit card entirely, they start using the credit card, and they actually increase their debt higher than what they had previously before the pandemic. Okay, that's when in 2021 and 2022, the credit cards company made more profit than ever in the history of credit in America. So what's that mean for you? That means get rich, become wealthy, become successful. It's a manner of mind. It's a state of mind. That means if you don't have the state of mind to get out of your situation, to increase whatever you do by create product or service to put them on the marketplace, no matter what kind of help you will receive, you might come back at the same status quo, or even get lower and a worse position that you used to be. During this same period of time, during the pandemic, some people received the stimulus check, the SBA loan, and they start a business and they start making a lot of money nowadays. But it's only a few. What does that mean? The person or people who had previous the pandemic get hit, previous they lose their job, previous they start working from home, they had a mindset to get out of debt, to start a business, to make money. When they find this opportunity to find the capital that the government gives them in the stimulus check, they actually take action and they actually own business and making money out there. Okay? Those who didn't have this state of mind, okay, they ends up taking good action, pay the debt, they become debt free, and after that, when the lockdown removed and people start go back on the side to go to work, less people working from home, what people do, they start going out there, go to the mall, go to the shopping center, order online on Amazon, and actually become poorer than they used to be. So they're still living in a low income situation, and they even become in a worse situation because now they don't have money, and maybe not all of them get back to their feet on job. So this is what it's about. When we create My Booster Motivation, this is the type of information we want to share with you. I want to tell you, right, you can change your life. You can take your life to the next level and you can make a lot of money. But you must have the desire. It's what Napoleon Hill calling burning desire. Okay? You must have the will to succeed. You must have the guts to succeed. You must planning to succeed. But it's not only have all that I've got the plan, as I said, you can have the plan, but you need money to buy the land. So to make money, you need to take action. So the plan will not work by itself. You need the will, you need the burning desire, and you need to go out there taking action by create product, services, okay? Products, services, and put them on the marketplace. If you're not in a position to create product or services because you have a lack of money, go to the distribution, okay? Go to the distribution, become a salesperson, help somebody who have product or service, touch the maximum prospects, the maximum customer possible, and make commission on top of that, and learn at the same time all the process working. So when you start having capital that you can go on your own, start selling product or services and put them on the marketplace, go out there making money. Guys, it's not a joke. Everybody can become wealthy. Everybody can become successful. Okay? Stop looking for get rich quick scheme. People do not become wealthy overnight. If somebody tell you that you can become wealthy overnight, they are doing some scammy stuff. They are doing something that will put a bracelet on your ankle, something that will put you in jail. Okay? You need to take the time to learn. You need to take the time to work hard to build a system, find a structure, become a team player, integrate a team, work with some people that understand the game. Okay, pay a mentor that you can get your feet wet and start swimming by yourself to go to the other side. Guys, you must pay attention to what you got in your mind, what to do, Okay, pay attention to your state of mind. Okay, the way is your and the direction where your mind is the position you will land in. If you think about small thing, if you think about nonsensical thing, if you think about miserable thing, you will not become successful, you will not become wealthy. Even if you have somebody in your family that passed away, left you a lot of money from insurance, from legacy, or some land, some houses, some real estate, you will blow everything in a fraction period of time. That's because you don't have the state of mind to become wealthy. You don't have the state of mind to be at the top. That's why most of lottery winner, okay, they get rich overnight and then they get broke in less than 5 years. They will lose everything and they might become in a worse situation, because it's worse. They already taste the power of wealth and now they own nothing. This is what I had to show with you. So during the pandemic, not only the person who positioned themselves, who own businesses like Walmart, Chase Bank, Amazon, all these companies, all these major 500 company, Fortune 500 company in the United States, and all other companies like that in the world, they become wealthier, because no matter which money, which assistance people might receive from the government, they will blow the money as soon as possible. They can go out there and start buying things they don't need, and things that they cannot afford, and things that they will not be able to maintain. That's why you have to watch my Booster Motivation. You have to watch our videos. If this video makes sense for you, if you find that this topic help, okay, you can support this channel on there. We have comment section. You can put some comments, some question. I will answer your question in new videos, and I will answer them under this live training session as well. And you can support us. We have super stickers, we have super chat, and you can patronize this channel if you want. If you don't want, no problem. I will continue working like that and serving you and more people. So you are free to go. It was delighting to help you, to talk to you, to work with you today, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for your time.